for having a single global language. So uh, a little bit um, is left to discuss here. It is impossible to make, sorry, it is impossible to make confident prediction about the emergence of a global language. There are no precedent for this kind of linguistics growth other than on a much smaller scale, and the speed with which a global language scenario has risen is truly remarkable. It means that we have a global language, that is English, and the way we have got the global language is uh, unthinkable. At present, we have got that two-thirds of the world population they use English language as a common language for global communication. But the why and in which way they have English has become the global language, that will be discussed in the next classes. So some points will be noted over here. Within little more than a generation, we have moved from a situation where a world language was a theoretical possibility to one where it is an evident reality. So now English has become the global language, and we can't do anything without the knowledge of English language because many. Okay, the reason will be discussed elaborately later on, but the scenario, the reality is that we can't do anything just for emailing, computer browsing, Facebook, Google, YouTube, everything. We have been paralyzed if we do not know global language English. No government has yet found it possible to plan confidently in such a circumstances. Language of identity need to be maintained. That means we have to know our mother language, either it may be Bengali, Spanish, or Japanese. Access to the emerging global language, widely perceived as a language of opportunity and empowerment, needs to be guaranteed. And in another hand, we have to learn the global language. And because language has a power of dominance. A language has a power to achieve international or the global communication. সো একদিকে আমাদের মাতৃভাষা আমাদেরকে শিখতেই হবে আমাদের আইডেন্টিটি ছাড়া, এবং পাশাপাশি আমরা গ্লোবাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের যে ওভারঅল ইম্প্যাক্ট সেটাও আমরা অস্বীকার করতে পারি না। সো উই হ্যাভ টু নো গ্লোবাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। Both principles demand massive resources. The irony is that the issue is approaching a climax at a time when the world financial climate can list about it. Fundamental decision about priorities have to be made. So, as I have said it earlier, that prioritization should be done by the state policy. In which way we will be learning the global language, and which language we will be global language we will be learning. আপনি কি চাইনিজ শিখবেন না স্প্যানিশ শিখবেন না ইংরেজি শিখবেন, সেটাও স্টেট নির্ধারণ করে দিবে। পাশাপাশি একজন ব্যক্তিও এটাকে ডিটারমিন করতে পারে। বাট একটা জায়গায় বসে থাকলে, একটা ভাষা শিখে থাকলে, ইউ উইল বি লুজিং দ্য অপরচুনিটি অফ ওয়ার্ল্ড কমিউনিটি, you will be losing the opportunity of working on or in multinational organization. Those making the decision need to bear in mind that we may well be approaching a critical moment in human linguistics history. It is possible that a global language will emerge only once. Certainly, as we have seen, after such a language comes to be established, it would take a revolution of the world-shattering proportion to replace it. যখন একটা ভাষা গ্লোবাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হিসেবে প্রভুত্ব জাহির করে, when a language becomes a dominant global language, then the way to replace it is totally impossible. Every system should be exchanged, or every system should be collapsed if we another global language. And in due course, the last quarter of the 20th century will be seen as a critical time in the emergence of this global language. For the reason presented in the next three chapters, all the signs suggest that this global language will be English, and there is still some way to go before a global lingua franca becomes a universal reality. English has become the global language, and la lingua franca, that means a common language for global communication, has become a reality. Without this, we can't go a step forward. Despite the remarkable growth in the use of English, at least two-thirds of the world population do not yet use it. যদিও ইংরেজি গ্লোবাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গ্রোথ হয়েছে, প্রায় দুই তৃতীয়াংশ মানুষ এটাকে ব্যবহার করে না তাদের দৈনন্দিন কাজে। In certain parts of the world, most of the states of the former Soviet Union, for example, English has still a very limited presence. Just for an example, in Soviet Union countries, they do not use English language. And in some countries, increased resources are being devoted to maintaining the role of the other language, such as the use of French in several countries in America. এখনো আফ্রিকার বিভিন্ন দেশে ফ্রেঞ্চ ফরাসি ভাষা ব্যবহৃত হয়। Notwithstanding the general world trend, there are many linguistic confrontations still to be resolved. So we have admitted that English has become the global language, but there are many issues that will come in our hand. Government who wish to play their part in influencing the world linguistic future should therefore ponder carefully as they make political decisions and allocate resources for language planning. So it depends on the state policy done by the government. Government will prioritize which language they are going to introduce to the to the community of that country. দেশের সরকারই নির্ধারণ করবে যে কোন ভাষাটাকে শিখতে হবে, কেন শিখতে হবে। বিকজ আমরা জেনেছি যে গ্লোবাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজের অস্তিত্বের কারণে অনেক ভাষার মৃত্যু ঘটে এবং আমাদের ন্যাশনাল আইডেন্টিটিটাও অনেক জায়গায় হচ্ছে ভুলণ্ঠিত হয়। স্টিল দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট শুড প্রায়োরিটাইজ দ্য language teaching criteria. And more than at a time in linguistic history, they need to adopt long-term views. The country, a state should take the long-term views and the plan ahead whether their interests are to promote English or to develop the use of other language in their community. Of course, both. Okay. So the government should prioritize that which language they are going to introduce. At present, the government of Bangladesh is initiating for the teaching of English. But চায়নার সাথে আমাদের যে গ্রোয়িং যে ইকোনমি, বাংলাদেশের ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার সহ সহ সমস্ত জায়গায় চাইনিজ যে ইনভলভমেন্ট আমরা লক্ষ্য করছি, শুধু বাংলাদেশের কাছে ইন্ডিয়ান সাবকন্টিনেন্টেই না, ধারণা করা হচ্ছে in the long run China will be the economic superpower, and if it is so, from technology and from the other perspectives, Chinese language will spread to the other parts of this world. And if it is so, then we have to know other languages except English, Bengali. We have to know Chinese or Mandarin language in order to maintain the global um, communications. Okay? Because it's a reality. Because English language creates opportunity, but if such kind of opportunity might be created by the Chinese people, then we have to learn the Chinese language. So this is a reality we have to do. So government should prioritize which language is gonna introduced in these countries. So that is the way we have to admit. So if they miss this linguistic boat, they may be no other. Okay, there may be no other. এই যে লিঙ্গুইস্টিক যে বোর্ড, কোন ভাষা মাতৃভাষার পরে কোন ভাষা দেশে ইন্ট্রোডিউসড হবে, সেটা কি ইংরেজি না বাংলা, সেটা কি ইংরেজি না চাইনিজ না স্প্যানিশ, দ্যাট শুড বি ডান দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট পলিসি, অ্যান্ড they should do it, because without having a global lingua franca, or that will create the opportunity for the people of all sectors. দেশের সমস্ত সেক্টরের মানুষের জন্যই সেটা প্রয়োজন, এবং এটা প্রয়োজন বিধায় তাদেরকে লিঙ্গুইস্টিক্স পলিসি নির্ধারণ করতে হবে এবং এগিয়ে যেতে হবে। এবং যদি তা না করে, সো দ্য কান্ট্রি If a country doesn't make plan for linguistics prioritization, then the country will be nowhere in this global place. So the country will be linguistically alienated. ভাষাগতভাবে তারা এক সাইডে পড়ে যাবে, যে ক্ষেত্রে economic and immigration and the other prospects will be eradicated. And also another thing is that in case of Bangladesh, we many people work all over the world, and for this reason government as well as the person, you have to prioritize is the language learning. And it means that uh, everybody should know at least two languages other than their first language or mother language, because multilingualism or bilingualism is something that will create lots of opportunity, not only for a person of Bangladesh but also a person of all over the world. So to be a bilingual or to be a multilingual is has become the reality. So if anyone loses that chance, if any country loses that chance, then that country or that person will be alienated from the global village. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can